Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: VMware installed, Windows 10 ISO ready, and a license key. Once done, open VMware and choose Create a new virtual machine. Select the ISO as the installer disk. Make sure to pick Typical Recommended for an easy setup and accept default hardware presets to speed things up. You will be prompted for the product key now or later. Enter later if you prefer. Click Finish to create the VM and prepare to customize hardware before first boot. You now tweak the VM to ensure smooth installation. Open Settings, increase RAM to 4 GB or more, allocate CPUs, and enable virtualization extensions if available. Once configured, power on the VM and follow the Windows 10 installer prompts. Choose Custom Install, create a single partition, and proceed. After Windows finishes first run, log in and immediately install VMware tools from the VMware menu. This installs drivers, improves display resolution, and enables shared. You finish by activating Windows, running Windows Update, and installing antivirus. These steps secure the environment and update drivers. Make a snapshot now so you can revert after testing apps or updates. If the VM refuses to boot or shows an error about virtualization, shut down, reboot your host, and enable VTX or AMDV in the host BIOS/UEFI. Once enabled, try starting the VM again. If performance lags, increase RAM or switch to a bridged network adapter for better connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.